AI is no longer just for big tech companies. Right now, there are powerful AI tools you can use for free. Tools that can save you time, boost your productivity, and even make you money. In this video, we'll cover the 5 best free AI tools you should be using in 2025. First up, ChatGPT. Even on the free version, you can generate blog posts, brainstorm business ideas, draft emails, and even write code. Students, professionals, and entrepreneurs are using ChatGPT daily to speed up tasks and get creative support instantly. Use templates, iterate prompts, and pair it with your workflow tools for max impact. Next, Canva AI for design. Second, Canva AI. With free features like magic design, text-to-image, and AI-powered templates, Canva is making graphic design accessible to everyone. Whether you need YouTube thumbnails, social posts, or presentations, Canva AI can do it in seconds. Fast templates plus export options equal sign speed and polish even on the free plan. Up next, Notion AI for productivity. Third, Notion AI. Even with the free plan, Notion gives you AI features like automatic summaries, idea generation, and task organization. It's like having a personal productivity coach inside your notes and projects. Use Notion AI to capture meeting notes, create agendas, and auto-generate next steps. Fourth, Runway ML. This free AI tool lets you edit videos, remove backgrounds, and even generate new visuals with AI. It's like having a professional video editor, but free and instant. Try Runway for quick edits and experimental visuals. And finally, Perplexity AI. Think of it like a smarter free version of Google. It gives direct, concise answers with sources included, which makes research faster and more reliable. For students and professionals, this is a must-have tool. Use it to verify claims and gather quick summaries. These 5 free AI tools are available right now, and they can help you stay ahead in 2025. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI and future tech content.